It's Tommy Touge, we're back. We got Jimmy.
Hello.
Mini Habib.
Yeah.
We got actual Habib.
What's up?
So we've cleaned the bay. The manifold's ready to come off of this when I lift it, because we don't need that. It's rubbish. We cleaned the bay. It's actually got quite a bit cleaner now, which is quite nice. The battery tray's out because that's all rusty and shit. So we're going to fix that. And now it's time to put this in here. That's going to be a straight fun time. So all the mounts are prepped, aren't they, Jimmy? Yeah, we did a good job of that. And we swapped the rear engine mount because the other one has a big hole in it. I don't know what we did with it. We threw it away. Oh, here we go. So the rear engine mount would have been really good. Tunnel vision. See ya. So we swapped that over with some other random old one we had. I don't know why. When we bought this, maybe we got a spare, I don't know. And yeah, now it's time to put this back in. And hope like hell it works, because that'd be really sad if it didn't. So we just set up the camera and then set this up, and then we'll... Alright boys, go. I'm gonna get this pig in there.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
You're wrong. Hey Jimmy, there's two things I know in life. One, you're wrong. Two, you're also wrong.
You want help, pushies?
That's it. Keep going. Alright. Now, got this. So just watch that backside. Make sure it doesn't hit anything. I'm going to drop this a little bit slowly. Go away. May have to end up getting a jack open, jack in front of the car, get more angle. Just drop the handbrake on the car.
Is that a good idea?
Push it back a little bit. A little bit more. Bit more. Yeah, go somewhere there, I guess. Yeah, that'll do. Give us some more room with that drop off the concrete. Push it a bit. Yeah. So just got to try and make sure that bar goes under the car. This one? Yeah, yep. Make sure it goes under. Probably try to push it that way.
This way?
Yeah, the other side of that exhaust.
Oh, the other side.
Just be careful. Try and ease the cylinder and get caught. Yep. That's the way.
Yeah. Almost.
Yep.
Touching it.
It's got to sort of like drop in like that. Yep. That's pretty much how it drops in. Alright.
Not caught on this side.
Your sides are almost ready for a mount. Your sides are almost ready for a mount, and this one should line up.
Oh, is this the way it goes in?
Yeah, so it goes down. We may have to lift the car a little bit to get a bit more clearance.
Yeah.
It goes down, and we put a bracket, put that one through the back bracket, and we start putting the side mounts on.
Okay.
And then I can drop it off. And it's back in. Hell yeah, boys. We're getting there. One small step for mankind. Boys. Alright.
quick. I'm just trying to clear up this mount. Yeah.
So what we'll probably have to do is try and push it back just a touch. Tell us if you're not hot at you. Ass. Be on the left, like, push it regular.
Do you want me to push it? Move it forward a bit? So I'm just like an anchor, so we don't move that far.
That looks okay. That's stuck like that.
Yeah, that works.
It just needs to be pushing up.
Let's get pretty close.
And dropped a little bit.
Yeah, right. I'll drop it half inch. I should be able to line that bolt up with a bit of jigging. Alright, let me stop there for a sec. Yep. Try and get that bolt in.
Should I get the jack and put it underneath this side of the engine and lift it up a little bit?
Yeah, it's probably not a bad idea. What are this engine? Right with me.
Probably just nip that corner.
Yeah, see if you can get it.
Oh. Just lifting the crane. I'm still lifting the
Still, yeah.
Seems. Yeah.
You can do it.
You can do it! Oh yeah, boys.
Very slowly. Coming together. Woo.
That's it?
Stop there for a sec. See if I can just get this mounted even. I need an ounce of it.
Maybe Tony's side's easier because there's not much stuff in the way.
All the same.
Okay.
So, this is the twist. That's closer. So, got a thread on it.
Right.
I'll just jiggle it.
Get a wider.
No. That was good.
You want me to drop it down a bit?
Nah, it's probably not far out, to be honest. It's just the angle's not right. Come up just a little bit. Get this bad boy in. Hopefully. Oh, those don't need to be on there. That's better. There we go, boys.
Show me the one. No.
Dream work makes the dream work, boys. I mean, what? What do you reckon of this, Jimmy? You rating it?
Yeah.
Give us a review. Do you reckon engine work is fun?
I think there should be a turbo right here.
Yin yang, spin a thang.
Plenty of room. No, right here. Look at that.
Alright.
Straight up, let's just not have a
That's
blind,
all
let's just have a big turbo.
Fuck it, yeah.
All you need is air.
When in doubt, turbo your way out, that's the way.
Mm-hmm.
You boys are way smarter than I am. Oh boys, that's hell close. What a good guess by me.
Shimmy the camera. Shimmy.
Don't you hate it when you can't see where the tip's going?
No, I don't have that problem.
Glad one of us doesn't.
You want me to lift it up a little bit?
Can we shake it?
It's sort of in there.
Maybe I think shaking might
It's
help.
very close. It's just not quite picking up the threads, I don't think. Need whack. Do this. You drop it down just a touch.
Drop it. I do not trust myself fucking dropping it.
Yeah, fair. Alright, that might work.
Maybe if you raise that, it might help. I'm thinking if you raise that, it might actually help. Because then you're putting...
Can't
Yeah.
ratchet.
That's it.
This up.
Thanks.
Is it in? It looks it.
If not, it's crossover. Who cares?
What? Alright. That's one side started. Let's try to get this mount on because that's going to be a pain in my ass. Oh, if I get this on, it takes a bit more safety into it. Then we can fandangle the rear one. Which, to be honest, probably isn't much better than the one we threw out, but it'll work.
I mean, at least the other one's got a mounting point.
It'll work for today. And that's all I care about.